In this video, we'll run a search to identify females that are between the age of 50 and 74 that have not had a mammogram completed in the last 2 years. In other words, we're looking for patients that are due for a mammogram. So we begin with our basic panel search. So you see here that we have all patients attached to Dr. McCaffrey, their status is active, and their status has been verified within the last 3 years. All right, so to build on that search, we go to Add Line, and first we want to set our age parameters. So we've already selected demographics, go to age, go to greater than or equal to, type in 50, press OK. So now we add line again. Again, we'll go to age, and we'll just say less than 75. All right, so then we'll have all our patients age 50 to 74. So we'll add line again, demographics, going to scroll down to sex because we only want our female patients. So we'll say is female, press OK. So now we have the parameters to make sure that only our female patients for the correct age are going to be selected in this search. So now we'll add line again. So here we'll go to diagnostic imaging. We're going to select mammogram, and we want month since latest to be greater than or equal to 24. Click OK. Okay, so this is our basic mammogram search, but depending on how consistent you are at recording surgical data in particular, you may want to also include some exclusion criteria. So I'll show you an example of how to show that a patient has had a complete bilateral mastectomy and you want to make sure that that's excluded. But this will only work in your clinic if you're consistent with the way in which you label that. So I'll show you that example. So we go to Add Line, Patient Profile, and you select this HPH, past history, etc. And you want does not contain, so that's the exclusion criteria. And in this test system, we'll call it complete bilateral mastectomy. So type that in, click OK, and then all patients that have had a bilateral mastectomy will not be included in the search. So there's your search. You just click Perform Search and you'll get all patients that are due for a mammogram.